Alright, good evening. Welcome back to the Columbia Basin Hobby YouTube channel. Tonight I am going to be finishing up my Vanquish H10 Optic build. So let's get right to this and get this thing built up the rest of the way. Body panels, tires, cage, that type of stuff. So let's get it all back together, or all together, and see what this thing looks like completed. I'll get the camera set up and let's go. Alright, let's put this guy together. These long screws go all the way through. Go like that. That. There we go. If you go like this, it'll all go together. There we go. There we go. Put the guy's helmet on. Put his head on here. There we go. Then you gotta somehow, clamp this guy's hands onto the steering wheel, like so, I guess. Wow. There it goes. A little tough to do, but there we go. It's on. So then it gets all screwed down. There we go. Where are the screw holes? There it goes. So the short ones go into those holes. Like that. Oops. The longer ones go into that. There we go. And the other seat, the long one in. There we go. So I put the Sparko things on the back, helmet, visor there, little Sparko on the front, the seat belts, the little buckle, the handcuffs, and then the dash, and that part of the dash. So that's how that goes. Alrighty, let's get on with the next step, is putting it in. So I'm going to get everything set. Alright, I got the interior in. There, it just fits inside. Screws in 4 places. Go. Goes. There you go. Interior's in. We'll get to the next step and we'll keep going. Alright. Well, I got all my electronic stuff in there. Since we got to get the cage on, I figured I'd get that all situated. So let's put the cage onto the chassis. Suspend, I don't know what you'd call it, but yeah. So let's go like that. There's screws in the side here. I'm going to put a couple in to hold it together. There we go. Flip it around to the other side. Put this one together. Alright, and let's also, I'm also going to put the shocks up here, so they go on the back one here, we'll go with this one here, there. There. Get the back ones in. They kind of go in like this. Okay, like that, and they go in the bottom one. Okay, yeah, how do you get those in there? Oh, kind of from the side there. Oh, come on. Put that out to the side there. Go. There's the one back one. Put another back one in. Go. There we go. Suspension done. Let's finish putting the sides together. There we go. Go. Look at the side. And then there's two in the bottom, way underneath here. If I can get them in there. Here we go. Where's the other one? Oh my goodness, that could be a fun one to get to. Okay. There we go. There is pretty much the completed chassis. There we are. Look at that. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. I think that is it. Yeah. 3 there, 2 in the bottom, and all the shocks. Cool. Well, the next thing is basically to put together all the all the body panels and stuff, and we will do that in the next video. So until next time, hope that you like, comment, subscribe. And I've said it in the other videos, I'm hoping to try and hit 200 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't know if I'll make it or not. It'd be kind of cool if I could. So again, like, comment, subscribe. See if we have any other comments or suggestions on how to do things a little differently, or if you're liking the way I'm doing it. Anyways, let me know, and we'll see you the next time. Bye. Alright, it is time to put these gorgeous carbon fiber panels on. Oh yes, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, let's put these gorgeous carbon fiber panels on this thing, shall we? Man, they do look nice. Holy smokes. Wow. I'm definitely gonna buy another livery, because I am not going to drive this car with these body panels on it. There's no way on earth I am going to run this car. Maybe very, very lightly around the yard or something, but not on the rocks, that's for sure. That is for sure. Man, these things are beautiful. Holy smokes. So the hood part of it takes these 3x15s. There we go. There's that all on. Man, looks so nice. Alright, let's put the gorgeous top on. My goodness. Anyways, these take these smaller ones here. There we go. Oof, my goodness. I tell you what, I lucked out buying this and getting these carbon ones. They say there is going to be quite a few out there, so there will be more people with these out there, but man, they are beautiful. My goodness. Now there's that. Let's put the side panels on, shall we? The battery trays, I guess you can call them. They go. Which way do they go? That must be that side. This must be this side. Yeah, they go like that. So they go like this. There it is. And they are like that. Man, they are nice. Holy smokes, they are nice. Doesn't quite line up real well. But there it goes. It started. It'll go in. There it goes. Not tightening these things up extremely tight, just snugging them up. I don't want to, even though it probably would never do it, I wouldn't risk cracking them. Like I said, even though it probably never would crack, I just don't want to risk it. Go. Snug those down. I also have coming for it, and I'll do this in a separate video, I have some fine line lasers, fine laser lines, something like that. They're clipless. Well, yeah, they're not these and the little clips to hold the batteries in. It's a kind of a little system that clips them in a little bit of a different way. Can make it a little, I don't know, a little cleaner or not, but I just thought it'd be kind of cool. So I've got those coming for this one. I actually put some on my Losi laser net that I've got, and they're pretty cool, I must admit. So okay, there we go. Let's put, this one goes in this side. Oof, man. And then pin goes up through like that, and then the clip, body pin, whatever you want to call it, is in there, and then this one goes in like that. Oops, I put that one on wrong. I put it on upside down. Alright, there we go. All the body panels on. Oh, those are so gorgeous. Now, tires and wheels. These are gonna look good. Oh yes. Oh, those are gonna look so good on that. So good on that. Oh yeah. Those are gonna look nice. They do look nice. And these are Mius, however you want to pronounce it, wheels that I found on Amazon. They're actually fairly reasonably priced. And then they're Injora tires with Injora blue silicone inserts, and oh, they're weighted tires. Oh yeah, what do you think? I think that just gives it a pop. I like it. Kind of plays off a little bit of the coppery tone in the carbon fiber there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like. So there's everything ready to go. I am going to, like I said, I'm going to do a few final touches to it. I'm going to paint this a different color. I want to paint this a silver, so when I get the new diff cover, or the new new third member, I'm going to paint that probably a silver, so it looks like it's something an actual like silver ram. And I'll paint that red. I don't know. I like it though. There's everything. It is all built, and my servo actually turned out. It was pretty good. Running a Red Cat RTX 4C in it, just because, well, I'm a Red Cat dealer and these are pretty inexpensive, and they're actually really nice. They're a 4-channel radio, and they're actually a really nice radio. So anyways, there is the finished product. Hope you like it, and stay tuned for some other videos that I'll do. I may do a little bit of a running video on it at some point in time, so we'll talk later.